It's free to download this Amapiano kit. Check it out. Yo, the name is God's and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Today I want to take you through this Amapiano case that you can download for free. Let's get started. Alright, so guys, we are in the first video. Let me take you through this Amapiano case that you can download for free. Link is in the description box. Download this for free. Okay, so this is the name KDM Grootman Simple Parts Case Volume 6. So let's check some of the samples. We have the bongo. Nice one. I mean, these sounds are dope. Okay, let's check the claps. Nice one. The conga. Nice samples that you can use to make your Amapiano beat. You don't have to stress yourself, they are well tuned. Okay, link to download this sample pack or case is in the description box. Download this for free. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Let's walk through the crash. Okay, you have some of effects. You see that? Yeah, then we get this drum fill 2. Wow, nice one. This sample pack is very interesting and it's free to use, so download it from the description box by clicking on the link. Let's check the hi-hat. Nice one. And remember, everything is EQ'd and tuned, so you don't need to stress yourself. You just pick it, then you use. Very simple. Let's check the kick. Nice one. Okay, you can use this to make your Afrobeat too as well. Very simple. Okay, nice kicks. Okay, you get some loops. Crazy. Wow. Capture the small loop too. You see that one? Interesting. Let's drop this to the playlist and check. Let's listen to it. Okay, let's listen to this one. My tempo is 112. Nice one. Okay, so let's check the other ones. Okay, very nice. Okay, and it also has this mixing and mastering preset that you can use. Let's go through some of the percussions. Wow, look at this kick. 808 kick. Nice one. So guys, you can download this from the description box. The link is there. It's for free. Okay, look at this. Nice one. Okay, let me show you the next thing. There are some presets that you can use. Okay, very simple. You can use this preset. This is a synth preset that you can use from Purity. Nice one. Let's check this one. Let's check this one. Nice one. Okay, let's move on. You have some rims that you can use. Very interesting. Look at this. Well compressed. So this sample pack is free. Just click on the link, then download. Nice one. then shakers. Oh wow, crazy man. Hey, see that? I really like this sample case. Oh, nice one, nice one. So guys, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Give the video a like, then share the video as well. Let's check the snare. Nice one. Wow. You see? You hear that? You hear that? Nice one. You get some of the vox. Get up. Look at that. Wow. Interesting. I really like this. Wow, like the vox are crazy, man. Wow. Nice one.
Tell me now.
Big shout out to KDM for producing these sample packs. So guys, you can download it for free. Okay, the name is Godsai, still the solution carrier. So I've used some of these sample packs or case to make this beat. Let's go through the beat. Okay, the BPM is 112. Let's walk through. Okay, so what I did was I played this kick. Let's solo it. This is the kick. Okay, and I just played it normal Amapiano groove. Then I added this percussion. Okay, let's solo it alone. Then you listen. Let's add a kick. Interesting. Then I added this conga. Okay, it was sounding like this. Okay, so let's add the two. All right, so I added this one too as well, this rim, and this was how it was sounding alone. What I was doing is that I was adding more layers and percussions. Let's add them. Alright, so the next thing guys I added was this one. Okay, this conga sounds like this. Interesting. Then I added this just to layer these ones. Okay guys, so you can download this free sample packs and use for your Amapiano beat. The name is Godsai, still the solution carrier. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Then I added this conga which was sounding like this. Let me solo it alone. Okay, I've reduced the volume. Okay, so for the drums everything was sounding like this. Let's play everything together. Alright, so the next thing I added was to add this shaker to it. Okay, and a little bit melody, okay, just to give it more groove. Alright, so guys, let's add that one to it. Okay, lastly, I added these tones or melodies to it. Let me solo it alone. I'm not going to solo them individual. I just want you to feel it, because this is not how to make a Amapiano beat. I just want to show you the sample case. Okay, so let's listen to it. Okay, so guys, let's add that one to our drums and shakers. Together everything sounds like this. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. The name is Godsire. On the beat, still the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. See you in the next video. Enjoy.